Honorable John Darko, I am member of Parliament at the Ma Suame. Obabontin din sembidi ababe tuja ya wochire mu se oeji aban se aban enka agenda 111 no obema nani akoho na fi wato aso. And to me it's a laudable call. This has nothing to do with NPP. This has nothing to do with NDC. It has everything to do with Ghana. It has everything to do with our health sector. It has everything to do with eliminating no birth syndrome. It has everything to do with say you making sure say your health system no ejina ne nice. Because we are no hospital crowd benya kono ya na edin. If you are privileged to find yourself in cities like Kumasi, Accra, Takrade, in these big hospitals, they are fine. But bisa who say, so the reception and the response, ubenya to yadie na, how no. Say a bia, a nurse for, near doctor for, bet you minimum show, a nurse for, near doctor for, and then terms to a baby show, a nurse for, near doctor for, and the hope pray, behunu say, what yale, what situation bia, and quay, or who chiro, and Yemra Mahon, it is saying. But senka you are abundant facilities are taking care of your pomodenia. Come here, sure say, what sorry, now qua. Na nurse phone so go ha obehunu say oh hospital no wo ho bed ahodo e wo ho enema wo so odi adwuma nso wo ho obe attend to you. Na me mentiase esa agenda 111 aban yi ba ye onye na adwene say obeto aso ntentem so odi ahopepre beto aso mentiase. Because here is the case what the 24-hour economy eba. Here is the case say o focus in say what the agri business ebeba konanim na tumia provide jobs na tumia boana 24-hour economy agina ne nan so. Enti say timemufo eya adwuma 24 hours. Ebi kwa no pa no apo awia ebi kwa awia no mapo anwumre na ebi kwa anwumre no mapo no pa. All of these people would need access to health facilities. Nti yesa time bia nipa be wo krom time bia nipa be ya adwuma na basa nso a nipa be yare enti se yaw metwa nipa no wo ho no o ya adwuma 24-hour economy nti o ya adwuma yakwa ko bie ayi industry anase factory bi wo ho na se processing factory bi wo ho na ya adwuma na ya metwa honom and na se raw materials na wo honom no e dose nti we have to position a factory there, a processing factory there betumi aboa na refine the raw materials na ye benya wo ho na fe ya de aye ne mafofora se safo no wo mo yale na agenda 111 ebe wo mo wo honom na se wo so wo mo complete a ehefa no wo mo nkonkoje ayarehwe ne ayaresa. Hefa and omon konkoji ayarehwe ni ayaresa. Because me person me tidi free the government of today was say when the reason dia on prioritize agenda 111 menti at least to see say etwasumu ana entwasumu ya pese ye tisan komo ne enya ntiase ne enya hunumu say anamon we na ban etuntia. But want to mean can't let me say obey 24-hour economy wabra your health sector no enyina ne nan so wabra wa yare sabia hodo no like ennoso eni ho na enyina ne nan so want to mean kasa asem no nkyere me ma menti ase. You want to mean can't let me ma menti ase ya ye politics ma and no na no pa na make no so obi ye biribia instead say ye be acknowledge nipa instead say ye be kase nipa na yade na bia babia wa ye duru no won so wato aso ye nya ne sa forgetting say o man sika na ye de ahye sa project na se enu nti ya anchase ya nto aso a o man sika na be hye. We are causing financial loss to the state. financial loss kesiye pa eka kesiye pa ni abo man no. Agenda 111. It's a vision project and policy. Any one see to turn us. It could be say a bia na shase any implementation no and a year poor. The fundamentals, the basics of implementing Agenda 111 no and a year very poor. It doesn't mean say the idea behind Agenda 111 no and yet. And your agenda 111 cry and only day me papa me nua bemba e your hospital sa na na dan kwa kufu ado ne mpenso or yes wo ba besi wa bra post covid ne baye say I was say nya hospitals because e baye expose ye yare sabia de say e wo fam enyina ne nan so enoso enunti yemfa hospitals ni yare sabia hodo emra na ementimemufo sebeye ni timemufo yare wo mo hododo wo mo a wo mo benya beebi akọ edi omani akere na mo akọje ayare hwe ni ayare sa enti me papa so we NDC ni ana MPP ni kura na wotie mi a enti ento asumu say ye besi hospitals ahodo ama ben Ghana for na just like e-block I the buy you know those who are speaking against it na minima adwene e do mutrimu a wo mo di speaking against it because ye developing country and I say when we are developing no school no ba bia sibia no ye be develop akwakoto enya fe ni ekwa pass ase ko bere ko bre ape babia ye de e-block besi near CSC so but because of politics we spoke against e-block. Because of politics we forgot to think deeper. Because of politics we left ya general at the two baby. And sometimes say near my EBC na wo kasa na a real one you use some words. But except for that you use words be said we have been as Ghanaians we have been blinded foolishly because of politics. We have been blinded foolishly by politics, you know. And near me to sumwa a yakama never bow mind no young funny serious ya the politics eto to na say brena sisa na deno na hwegu. How do we think as Ghanaians? How do we reason as Ghanaians into Agenda 111? Any government will come or say, any priority, any idea is seen and isn't or on person or the agency be attached to that Agenda 111. No, what was developing? How? I mean, so now many Honorable John Darko, Member of Parliament, the man Swami, Yanino Nkodi lawyer yeni nkomo ewa ahoma no so lawyer no pai utie me amache
ni me Joseph.
Hello lawyer.
Hello
fakutu
me Joseph.
Hello lawyer.
Okay
ma yen hwe ne connected lawyer da fi yeni nkomo ahoma so yenya no lawyer. Good morning. Hello lawyer Otimenga.
Yes, I can hear you.
Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning, I can hear you.
Oh, okay, yes, I think you can hear me, but I say, or response, no, what Hanum na say, what fem kakrama minti.
I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Kelvin, mama minya ni si na fi. Mo fa agenda 111 no to so na me hwe say menya honorable wo subiema. Honorable, what you mean ka? Okay, mami nyane si. Me mo ache, edo wase ano pa iso ajibre na ebedi nkomo.
Me Joseph me chia no tiefo nyina minia.
Honorable Pacho na abomu ti saying.
We are adum. It can be better, but we are managing.
Okay. Mami, some question and shasi and free say because you are a lawyer, you are a learned person. Me shasi and free say. What could be the reason behind here? A buying bibe bar. A project like Agenda 111 or Bekasebia and Shada priority for Mano, the agency needed, was what they attached to now ultimate Twasona or Bekase, Omfa, enka ho na ebe ka ba bi akai
Yo, me da similar. And okay, a political animals, a drip baby, and a pimpino, the name I year from a political point of view. Into if I say, Irama, not the Ubia, Wabem Fise, say, we could read the agenda 111 project. Yeah, Rebecca Suman is Shassi.
Ɛmmɛyɛ adeɛ a me na meyɛɛyɛ mpɛn pii no aban biara ba a ɛyɛ a na aban no ɛpɛ mefa no sɛ yɛbrɛni fɛ no legacy projects bi a yɛbɛtumi agyina hɔ aka sɛ me na meyɛɛ wei now because of that ama politicians pii no ɛduru sɛ wɔtoa obi adwuma a ɔhyɛ aseɛ so a na ayɛ ne den na mefiri sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛdi ɛnya papapapapapapapa na nkɛnyɛ saa hwɛ aberanteɛ yi a ne nsɛn obɛdidi sɛ biewura mampanyin Kufuor atom yi hwɛ ne nsɛm a ɔkaeɛ no wɔkaeɛ a wɔkaa sɛ biewura Kufuor wɔnka adeɛ a ɔhyɛ aseɛ a ɔwieɛ ɛwɔ bi sɛ biewura mampanyin Kufuor nneɛma a ɛhyɛ aseɛ ɔwie deɛ bebrebe na mmom no imagine sɛ yɛwura mampanyin Kufuor ɛkɔhyɛ ɛkɔwie Rollins bi ɛna mampanyin Kufuor ka Rollins hyɛ aseɛ bi na wie a yɛbɛka sɛ daabi yɛpɛ deɛ wohyɛ aseɛ awieɛ ɛna mpɛn pii no yɛn politicians no so no we tend to use this as the mark sɛ adeɛ a ahyɛ aseɛ wieɛ na no ɛnu na ɛdi ɔman ɔsɛ yi saa deɛ ne firi mu koraa sɛ obi hyɛ biribi ase na obi firi biribi a sɛ credit bi wɔ hɔ a yɛmfa ma mmie na wofɛ ɔmanpanyin ɛyɛ nka ɛkwan baako ɛnua firi ɛyɛ airport Accra mɔ hɔ no ɛkɔ akɔsi Malam it's about 6 lanes ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛboa papa first na saa kwan na 1 lane
okay
ɔmanpanyin Kufuor brɛ so na ɔhyɛ aseɛ US government MIDA Millennium Challenge Account project no ɔmka so mu de ɛna wofiri aban mu no mu wie ɔmanpanyin minister baayɛ ɛna MIDA project ne wie okaya ɛbra ɔmu commission saa road project no ɔmanpanyin Kufuor ka sɛ saa project sɛ de na esi hia me a me hyɛ aseɛ mɛnwe nti ne commission no kora mɛba ɛma ɔkɔtena aseɛ ma ɛyɛ hyɛ nso the idea sɛ obi hyɛ aseɛ na obi bɛwie yɛ ana biwie yɛ ɛnyɛ me na mehyɛ aseɛ saa deɛ no ɛdi ɛnya paa ɛno na akɔba sɛ ama yɛnuanom ndisifoɔ ɛmpɛ sɛ obido mu sa bɛka project no that is a huge health interventional project a ɛbɛboa sisa sɛdeɛ napɔmden adwuma ɛti sɛ obi hyɛ aseɛ na sɛ ɔsum wie a projects no most of them are about 90% complete in terms of the infrastructure na aka nneɛma na ɔmo ahwɛ amanfoɔ ama yɛapɔmden nti abɛɛya ɛsɛ ɛnyɛ ne priority a ɛsɛ no ɛha me papa because ne nua ɛnim sɛ it will be frab yɛwura Dr. Baba abɛdi president but by the time yɛwura Baba ɔbɛba na nneɛma a yɛde si ɛni bi wɔ hɔ a asɛe nti after 4 years we will a lot of money to put the buildings back in the shape assign the different yes na yɛn menu hɔ a yɛgyegye yɛmfa mmɔma ɛna ne yɛsɛ
honorable me obi a when it comes to health sector and as for a dame makoma so party when I heard your call your statement on that no e pushi me yenim se amamuo ntoaso nti se aban foforo ba oba betoa de we na aye no so we are learned lawyer are we deviating from the constitution ne mmara no ɛka se yɛtoa so na mmara bi ani hɔ a ɛbɛtumi atwe saafoɔ yi aso na twe ɔmo adwene asi so sɛ this is what you've got to do wei na nipa no ahyɛ aseɛ wo ɔwɔ sɛ wotoa so wantoa so a kwan bi wɔ hɔ a ɛbɛtumi de no afa so dan maybe I done no politics, NPP, NDC. I'm engaging you this morning because of how I hold you in high esteem and when I listen to you, manager.
Yeah, me that's it. And me that's it. Me the major I'm with the boy and me so no the man will come from a good place. So the truth is that aban bia won't mean ka say aban foforo no dem o nyina no obogu any aban what you say you are me and akufo aban any mo say negotiation aban that am say wo buy no wo mo ye ho adu because from the IMF no we demand this no you know Ghana you have to deal with it court cases are abandadano breast ye debate ebetia o man no aban fufu ba witimi kokko ka say na ye na akufo ado aban ti sa case no win defend do be ma o ma beje Ghana sika aban to be defended. So there is that responsibility the government of Ghana, the government of Ghana, any MPP any this now the only woman say when it comes to policies to be implemented by different presidents obia bibia betimi aka say ade we die me na me de buy who say free SHS me na me de buy now or no aba free SHS improve na adwuma kama no also per se bibi fufura or kwa ebebo ni di and is your area Mahama or say okofe bibia by say friend Mahama care in this world the obia no how your policy di too so as the policy develops economy amanfo timi hwe wadwuma power na ye di ato ayese kofo bus kofo shots they were say wodi bibia be friend kofo bus na kofo na dia ba eye adwuma kama owie ye ne friend kofo bus na amanfo ani age ho kofo esi emergency project e wo kofo noche wan fani dia to say kofo emergency e just pa kofo noche expansion project Ghana for who adwuma pa wa ye no ma say ni dia to so for emergency say you Mahama wa ba national health insurance ye adwuma kama we say wa kwoti say national health insurance can be e dia kwa bibia ye friend no Mahama care you see say say dem don't fly because it is not bringing any different thing there at the other na NHIS here na and was how ku be say what do dia to so presidents always want to be remembered one way or the other. Anything no more to be but you see, that is why we have the NDPC, National Development Planning Committee. I don't know a institutional say a policy a binding or minor I be binding say oba not a na kokuya or to us and when the city for four. In fact, in the constitutional review, this is one of the recommendations. Say, the ban for Biba no assessing about no ban or no assessing projects in real year you must start a new one. It's one of the amendments they buy in our constitution. So that when you are in government, you are tied to finishing a previous government project because side in AD. And see, in terms of Emra the air binding assessing government. Like you said, government is a continuum. There's that. But every president has a vision. Because they will tell you that I went to the people of Ghana with this vision. And the meeting to about now this I was in a bar. May I should be bound by a policy here. The previous president. No, not SAS yet. The Naga Ghana for Park, maybe new vision, who rejected Abamami.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
So we have to find a way to synchronize the vision you sell to the people and the previous government policies are no association. Because you see, when a new government comes, in most cases, what they do is, oh, they're not about that, and this is a much about man. It is the oil and then the to change. Maybe the maybe. But a project like Agenda 111, you cannot tell me, say, Ghana first woman Agenda 111, it's removed to a Betty NPP because it's a huge health intervention project. Maybe Swami, a year hospital at Bensi, from municipal hospital, one of the nicest hospitals we ever see. All right. Any part of the 2 hours, Swami, a short say, I tell me, say, because hospital is busy almost so mumpet, and no so mumpet, it's no metro banner. There be every election has its own time. And it's my say, you're 2 about my anything, and she said, you're not about that being in it's that is what is calling us.
So, Mami, Mr. We na yentwaso. Does that mean say yeah, both NPP and the NDC, some more the policy ni project be bar. You put party first at heart than the nation first at heart. And when you are buying for bar, onya sa atinkan say obetwa the party ba kono ye no eswana.
No, I mean, it's not always the case. I mean, look, Agenda 111 has nothing to do with the party. Okay? Agenda 111 is spread across the length and breadth of the country. Region BMC, the two. And it's, you know, they say, even if there was Ashanti region, you cannot say Ashanti region, and this if we only have, because our hospital. Okay? And one of the biggest one that starts here is that, honorable Dafiame Pokon. I don't know Dafiame Pokon. If we are a bad strategy, because when you don't go for here, it's in terms of projects, yeah, that you don't have political cap. The credit, because when say, when honorable Dafiame Pokon say, you control bad this time, MPP candidate say, yeah, MPP for the BC. One DC for my so is that the creditor? Now, so my advice to the government, and maybe make it that point there. Say abana baby, baby. Now we also we are Japan. Say, what's that? Well, it's me and we mean my baby. In that case, no, will be a credit. Then the people of Ghana will benefit. They will move on. Because in the end, physically, yes, I tell you, we like Ghana for
the minimum say it's a policy we a basia. Who sika de be nyina be fa parliament na parliament mo je atumu ansa na ban atumi ahyase atu anamo. Ekoba say na say project na story a parliament responsibility be na mo wo se be ya mo be twe aban adwene asisu say the House of Ghana's Parliamentary to Muna Yama approval Massa Sika Ikoye. And so you have a duty to continue. Sebeya or mine Sika no won't go to waste. Emma may have financial loss to the state because a kahonoma or mana nyansum faso said ye Parliament yatna say na ya jinimu yen tiasiemu yajitumu near ma quine say Emra in existence.
Well, I mean Parliament today. Any of us here. We keep reminding the say that project, you know, basic wasting. And union men a bill at 111 project these unfinished projects. There's a name said Abaye Omo Abino and the president and sometimes they are input because in this case, yeah, numbers need to see him push it. The academy is a more better because in the end, the project, let's say a couple, so I can tell the Parliament, especially you are raising issue to keep raising it onto the right list.
What will be your next move apart from ne nkomoyi ne free or free aban say or no man and in cohon on 200 moy?
I mean, they say no, any opposition there. yes, we see case I was. Yeah, that person said that, but we continue to advocate. Oh, and you know, the advocacy, the BID home come. Then say na acquire ebo media for Abasaka, and opinion more MPC. Said ye can't swim into them kind, and the media for especially would be a billion be a book and no any day press up to about that is about swapping. So you will do it, and then the media will also pick it up. You Emu had important this project. Na abani we are
To what extent will you go to make sure, say, in reality, you know, yatuaso?
every extent, but we will use all the tools. We have Parliament to push the government. A DBOC, it's not legal. We will do it.
I've really enjoyed your engagement this morning. Mami Nasi Anope.
I miss you na on can and what you feel now.
Okay. Honorable John Darko, Member of Parliament, Edema Swame, a constituency nati se no ekudi and komo ahomano esono de fa agenda 111 eye ehon ensensem ehon ha minim wa wutie me no